All right, here's that article I was talking about the potential for a touchscreen Mac. Now, I don't know. I just want to get your feelings. I want to see what everyone's saying here. I know Apple's been against it. They want to sell you an iPad. They'll give you a keyboard for your iPad. They'll give you a trackpad. They'll let you do anything to an iPad to make it a computer, but they won't call it a Mac, and they definitely won't let you touch your Mac. But is it time, Will, for Apple to have a Mac OS product that is also touch capable now that we have the transition to their own silicon, so it's across the map? Maybe even some sort of, okay, here's my hybrid proposal. Hear me out, Will. Will, I need you to hear me out.
Okay.
It's both. When the device is in tablet mode or flipped around, it switches to iOS.
Okay.
When it's in laptop mode, it switches to Mac OS. Come on! This should be possible on a framework. This should be possible with the silicon, no?
Yeah, sure.
I think Windows tried to do that at one time with, what were they calling that?
Metro UI.
Metro UI, and they failed. But Apple is so integrated, it feels like it could work. You flip out the slate portion, it's an iPad, you click it in or do whatever you do, or you flip it around and it's an iPad and you flip it back and it's a MacBook. I feel like they could sell some of those. I don't know. Maybe they don't have to. Maybe they're happy to sell you both. But it's just speculation at this point. As I mentioned previously, the little reshuffle of the hardware people at Apple has led some to believe that that's exactly what is about to happen. But we're going to have to wait and see.